How to add makeup effects in Lensa. Ready to give your photos a quick and stunning makeover without picking up a single brush. Let's jump into the Lensa and add some digital makeup. First things first, open up your Lensa and choose the photo that you want to edit. Let's wait for a while. Once you're inside it, just pick the photo that you want to edit. I'll be using these 4 pictures at the phone right now. Simply tap on it and let's wait for a while. Now, once it's loaded, you will see a lot of options at the bottom toolbar. It's over here. From the option, simply tap on the look, shape and skin, which is right over here, to add the makeup effects on the person's face. For example, let's tap on look, and from here you can change the eyelashes, either you want it to be bigger or this smaller, and there's an option for the eye contrast. There's an option for the eyebrow, face contouring, brighter lips, neck shadow and shadows, highlights and everything. There's literally everything that you can change, and at the last you can see an option called hair. Simply tap on the hair that you want to change. For example, I want it to be green. Simply tap on green and it's simply changed. And there's also an option for shape and skin, which you can adjust as you want. Isn't it the magic? Now you can experiment with the different style to see what you like the best. Once you're happy with your new look, just hit the shape icon at the top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.